Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got my EXB here and I did some work on it. I want to test something out to see if it still has a problem that it's been having. If you've noticed on some of my videos, the truck has just sounded terrible. And that's because it's had this cogging issue. We replaced the ESC and that still didn't take care of the problem. While I was doing some work on it, I had to change out the pinion, which stripped because the motor moved. I had to change out a new fan. I put one of these rocket fans in there. I still need to get a fan for the motor. But in the process, I figured we should try fixing the receiver because the receiver has been acting funny. So it had this receiver in there. It's a SR6200A. When I would switch from one truck to the other, it would have a huge delay before it engaged this EXB. So that's right there an indication that something's going wrong with this. So I put it all back together, got all the new stuff in there, and I think that might actually be what's causing the cogging, believe it or not. So I swapped it out with the regular SR315 and it's so far acting a little better, and I'm gonna take it out today and see if it still has that cogging sound. I got these CNHL batteries in here, these 6200 120C 23S batteries. I really like these. Got them in there, and they're a little tall, so I did have to kind of disengage this battery holder here, but it still fits in there if you strap it down tight. And yeah, I love this truck. It just has handled a ton of abuse, and for this little issue to crop up is not too big of a deal. So, oh, and this poor EXB body has seen better days. It's kind of being nursed along with a lot of tape. I ordered a unbreakable body, which I just was alerted to as being shipped, and then I realized that it's coming from very far away and it's going to take like a month to get here. So that was a big bummer to realize. We'll see how long I can keep this thing together before it just cracks in half. So let's get it out there, see how it does.
Last Sunday I came here to grab something, and it was a guy with his girlfriend. He drove 2 hours to come here.
Not to cut you off, Harold, but all right, so we got the Kraton EXB here. We're gonna test out the cogging on it. Got Harold here and father-in-law. All right, let's go give it a try. Big cloud of dust. Can't even see it. What the heck? That is the dustiest landing ever. Oh, it's upside down. So far it sounds better. Yeah, I'm not hearing that cogging. Be nice to get some water over here though. Can I spray this a little? All right. It's too dusty otherwise.
Yeah, no kidding. This thing is crazy. You can't even see it.
Yeah.
Let's just take out.
Somewhere. All right. That's better.
Take a shower. I see you, man.
Oh yeah. You saw that?
No, and then I see Ian take a shower.
You weren't supposed to see that part.
Right there.
I'm cutting that part out of the video. All right, we got a little less dust here, hopefully. Not great, but. It is sounding better. I'm not hearing that cog, guys, which is beautiful. Ooh. Oh yeah. think Harold's filming this live here. Oop. Going good, so whoa, almost nailed that. Oh, oh. 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 That was a
Thinking so much on it.
well, no, I it for some reason wasn't flipping over, so I had to make a choice. All right.
Yeah, well, you made the right one.
I guess
Hey,
I did.
Oki, what's going on? What's going on? We are here with ICRC 83.
What's up?
We are here just, he's testing something. There's no more cogging on the EXB. Let's see. But we are here.
Dust storm. Oh.
Oki, say hi.
OG. Oh, hey, OG. No nitros here.
No,
Except him.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Yeah.
The point is, go back home in one piece.
We'll see.
We'll see.
That. What's the fun in that? Come on.
Yeah. Hey, what's going on, John? Hey, welcome.
Oh. Yowzers.
Hey, man. John, he said rub chicken tenders on your forehead to go faster.
All right. Whoa. That was a bad call, John. Ah. Big long backflip. Whoa, that was crazy.
No, you got a motor wire over here.
Oh, yeah.
Out here.
Good call,
Yep.
good call. Good call. Ooh, try to turn on anyway.
So hey, comment there what you guys want to know, what you guys want to see from RC here on the bashing today, because this was random. This was like, let's go there, let's do something, and so.
And here we are.
Yeah.
Look at this here. Look at me for a second. All right, go watch this. We got. I'm watching the screen that's watching you on the feed.
Okay.
What do you think of that? Yeah, get a close angle. So, so Harold's doing the live stream still, and I'm beyond testing at this point. Now it's just having fun because it's clearly working good. Thump. Oh, hard hit. That was a rocket. Please don't break, please don't break. It's good. Uh-oh. Right by the dirt.
You shoot a rock.
Huh. Where?
To that
Oh.
guy.
Uh-oh. Nice. Top's coming. Top's up. I just don't want to mess with it. Going and going. Battery. Oh, I didn't record that. Dang. Thought I was recording that whole time. That's a bummer. I don't know if I got this on recording, but I was saying you can do hard landings, but if you're not on the throttle, it won't break as much. A lot of people, oh, here we go. A lot of people complain of diff braking and diff drive cups braking, and you can take bad landings, but if you're not on the throttle when you do it, you're far less likely to break. So try that, everyone. Sorry. Sorry, I kind of did a little of that on purpose though. That's silly. I kind of want to do it again, but watch this. he's pissed. Sorry. Look at the death stare. All right, that was the last one. Don't go anywhere near him. Whoa. Okay, yeah, just came unplugged. So this thing's probably scalding hot. Ooh, yeah. So here we go. That's enough for today. I'll just turn that fan on and be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. The receiver was the problem. No more cogging, and she's back and she's doing great. So thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. ICRC83 is the channel, and hit that like button, hit that hype button, all those things. Comment and let me know what you thought. See you in the next one. Thanks.